Hey, Moshpit All-Stars, GA, an experimental girls cooking class brought to you by Uncle Dan's Salad Dressings, Dips, and Seasonings. Say hi!
Hi!
And today we are doing the emergency snack plan. And when I say emergency snack plan, I mean Sunday is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
And of course, you know you're going to get outshined on Sundays, so beat them to the punch with a Saturday lunch.
Oh, clever.
Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. I got tricks. All right. Now, don't panic. You know, you go to the quarantine pantry. It's kind of low on supplies. All you really need is a couple cans of tuna.
Oh, always have that.
Yes. Never be without tuna fish. Also, a little mayonnaise and, you know, Uncle Dan.
Well, let's see it.
Okay, well, here's Uncle Dan's right here.
Great.
And this is perfect for what we're going to do because it's cool and refreshing with just a hint of dill. It's Uncle Dan's California Country Dill.
Oh, sounds good.
Yeah, so you like tuna.
I love tuna, but I haven't always loved tuna.
Really? What happened?
Oh, my mom sent me to school with a tuna sandwich with tomatoes on it.
Ugh!
And I opened that thing and it turned me off for a long time.
Let me catch my breath on that one. Woo!
Yeah.
Who does that? Your
yeah.
mom.
And
That's
it
it.
was warm to add to the misery.
Okay, so we're going to take 2 cans of tuna, get them into the bowl.
And that's the good tuna.
Yeah,
solid white
albacore. Okay.
In water. There you go.
Yeah, now you got to
break it up.
Tuna. Break it up, baby. Put the fork to it.
Yeah, put the fork to it.
And you just break this up like, you know, as much as you possibly can.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's so good, though. This is white albacore tuna. You know what? When I was a kid, I used to eat this stuff straight out the can. No mix, nothing. Just this. That's how good it is. Okay, so now, break it up just a little more. A couple of big chunks in there still. That's why it's so good, man. I mean, you get your money's worth when you go with this stuff right here. Okay, now, we've got this in here. This is when we break out the Uncle Dan.
Uncle Dan's.
Only about a half a pack.
And here you go. Sprinkle
I'm going to eyeball
over
it.
the
I'm
top.
eyeballing it. Okay, here we go. Going to sprinkle, a little sprinkle.
There you go.
A little bit more. Okay, here we go.
All right.
Got Uncle Dan's there. Now, I'm going to mix it up a little more, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Get this all mixed in. Get Uncle Dan's. That country dill from Uncle
Can you
Dan's.
smell it?
Oh, man.
I love that dill smell.
Doggies, that smells good. Okay, now, let's see. We go with the horseradish.
Let's first add our
ingredients. Okay, first we're going to go with the...
and this can be whatever you like. We're happy to do celery.
Right. Celery goes in.
Onion.
Oh, yum, baby. Yeah.
Some dill pickle to
Dill pickle,
enhance
a little
the
more
flavor.
dill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you don't like tuna, have you ever tried it with cheese?
Oh,
try it.
Baby. Have you ever tried cheese tuna on a toasted bun?
Oh, yeah.
We
the
have.
melted cheese. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you mix that in.
Yes, I'm going to mix that in.
Do you need a bigger utensil?
Oh, bigger utensil? Okay, I have a bigger utensil.
Okay.
It's called a spoon. Mix this all up. Okay,
now you need...
Now I need...
another spoon, since we used that spoon.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Hang on, I got another one.
You know where they are. Good. He's learning his way around the kitchen.
Okay, so mayonnaise.
Couple spoons of mayonnaise.
Yeah. Plop.
Don't really have to measure. You just mix it up until...
Plop.
Good.
Good.
Okay.
Mix that in a little more.
You need some more?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, you should have used it. That's okay. No, don't put that one in there. Just put the mayonnaise in there.
You know me too well. Okay.
You're going to give it a little of that creamy horseradish. What do you think?
Yes. Hang on just a sec. Okay. This last one in here.
Okay.
Now. Okay.
Ooh,
Now.
Okay.
Horseradish.
Can you give me a dollop?
Ooh.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, a dollop in. Ooh,
There.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Okay.
Look at what am I going to do
Just
with
rinse
this?
your hand.
What am
Turn
I
around
going
and
to do
rinse.
with this? Tell me what I'm going to do with this.
Turn around and rinse it.
Okay.
Quickly.
Quickly.
Okay.
All right. Now.
Okay. You got to stir that in.
Yes, I can do it with this one.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Here we go.
Now go all around the sides. Get it all nice and...
Man, this is so good. Look at it. Mom is going to love this, and that's all she's going to talk about on Sunday is, man, you should have seen the sandwich I had yesterday, baby.
And then all you need is a fresh piece of bread.
Yes, and we
of
go
your choosing.
Yes. The heck? Ah.
Okay.
Okay. And you don't have to use the heel, but I personally, I love the heel.
You do.
I do. I love the heel. So,
Uh-huh.
a little bit on here. Got a renegade. Run away. Oh man, this is so good. When Mom eats this on Saturday before Mother's Day on Sunday, all she'll talk about all day Sunday and drive everybody else crazy. I had the most awesome tuna sandwich.
Have a big bite of that. Why don't you? Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a good one. Tasty. Yummy and good.
Uncle Dan's wishing all you mothers a happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.